Genoa, once a mighty maritime republic, is a city full of charm and history. Its grand UNESCO-listed palaces and magnificent cathedral showcase its rich past, while the narrow, atmospheric alleys called Carugi reflect its humble roots as a bustling port. Explore the old town and the renovated port area, where you'll find a world-class aquarium and a panoramic elevator offering stunning views. Nearby, discover colorful fishing villages like Boccadasse, or take day trips to beautiful spots such as the Cinque Terre, Santa Maria Ligure, and San Frutuoso. Genoa perfectly blends history, culture, and coastal beauty, making it a must-visit destination. So let's explore the best places to visit in Genoa. Number 1. Genoa Cathedral. In the center of Genoa's old town, you'll find the Genoa Cathedral, also called Cattedrale di San Lorenzo. This church is the most important one in the city and a stunning example of Gothic and Romanesque styles. Its walls are made of striking black and white marble arranged in eye-catching stripes. The cathedral is not just a place of worship, but also a symbol of Genoa's history as a powerful and wealthy maritime republic. Inside, you'll see amazing art and impressive architecture that show the city's rich past. It's a must-see for anyone visiting Genoa and exploring its old town. 2. Piazza de Ferrari. Piazza de Ferrari is the main square in Genoa. It is a big open space that connects the old part of the city with the modern area. In the middle of the square, there is a large fountain that is very popular. Many people, both tourists and locals, like to meet here. The square is named after Raffaele de Ferrari, a man who gave a lot of money to improve Genoa's port in the 1800s. His donation helped the city grow and become stronger. Piazza de Ferrari is a lively place full of history where the old and new parts of Genoa come together. It's a favorite spot for visitors to enjoy and take pictures. The fountain is the most famous feature of the square, making it a symbol of Genoa. 3. Genoa Port. Genoa is known as the birthplace of Christopher Columbus. It's home to the second largest port in Europe and is a popular stop for cruise ships. The Genoa Cruise Port is the starting point for many exciting trips. Visitors can explore the beautiful coastal villages of Liguria or discover the historic city of Genoa itself. The port is a convenient gateway to this region, making it easy to enjoy both the charm of small villages and the rich history of the city. Genoa's connection to the sea and its vibrant culture make it a must-visit destination. 4. Santa Margherita Ligure. Santa Margherita Ligure, a charming resort town on the Italian Riviera, is often overshadowed by its more famous neighbor, Portofino. However, it is just as beautiful and deserves just as much attention. Unlike Portofino, Santa Margherita Ligure is larger and less crowded with tourists, making it a more relaxing place to visit. The town is filled with colorful pastel-painted buildings, cozy cafes, and lovely boutiques, perfect for exploring. It also offers stunning views of the sea that are just as breathtaking as those in Portofino. If you're looking for a quieter yet equally delightful destination, Santa Margherita Ligure is a wonderful choice. 5. Beagle. To enjoy one of the best views of Genoa and its old port, take a ride on the Beagle Panoramic Elevator. This unique elevator was designed by Renzo Piano in 1992 to celebrate the 500th anniversary of Columbus' journey to the New World. It is shaped like the loading cranes found at the port. As you ride up, you'll get to see beautiful panoramic views of Genoa. The elevator offers a chance to learn about the city's history while enjoying the stunning scenery. It's a must-do activity for anyone visiting Genoa who wants to see the city from above and explore its past. 6. Boccadasse. Genoa is a large city with many different neighborhoods, each having its own story and character. One of these is Boccadasse, located by the sea on the eastern side of the city center. In the past, Boccadasse was a small fishing village, but today it is a charming and colorful area that visitors love to explore on foot. The neighborhood still keeps some of its old village feel, with narrow streets and beautiful houses in bright colors. It is a peaceful place to visit, offering stunning views of the sea and a chance to enjoy the history and culture of Genoa in a quiet, picturesque setting. 7. Piazza delle Erbe. Piazza delle Erbe, or Market Square, is the lively center of Verona, a city listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The square is surrounded by cafes and beautiful buildings, creating a charming atmosphere. In the middle of the square stands the Madonna Verona fountain, Fontana di Madonna Verona, built in the 14th century. The fountain symbolizes the city and features a statue from ancient Rome. The statue shows a female figure holding a scroll, which has the city's motto written on it. Piazza delle Erbe is a popular spot to experience the heart of Verona. 8. San Frutuoso. San Frutuoso is a beautiful small bay on the Ligurian coast, named after the 10th century abbey right by the water. This spot is special because it can only be reached by boat or by hiking a steep trail, making it feel peaceful and far from busy places like Portofino. The bay is famous for its clear, blue water, tall, dramatic cliffs, and calm, relaxing vibe. It's a perfect escape for those looking to enjoy nature and beauty in a quiet setting. With its charming views and unique location, San Frutuoso is one of the most stunning and hidden gems in the area. 9. The Aquarium of Genoa is the biggest aquarium in Italy and has the most diverse marine life in Europe. It is located in the old port of Genoa and features over 70 tanks that hold 1.6 million gallons of water. The aquarium is home to 12,000 animals from various species. Visitors can see an amazing variety of sea creatures, including sharks, dolphins, manatees, penguins, seals, jellyfish, and more. It is a great place to explore the underwater world and learn about marine life. With so many animals and tanks, the Aquarium of Genoa offers a unique and exciting experience for all ages. 10. Serravalle Designer Outlet. The Serravalle Designer Outlet, located near Milan, is the largest outlet shopping center in Europe. It has over 200 designer shops, making it a paradise for shoppers. Stores offer discounts ranging from 30% to 70% off regular prices all year round. You can find famous brands like Furla, Armani, Versace, Dolce & Gabbana, and Salvatore Ferragamo, along with many others. This shopping destination combines style and savings, making it perfect for those who love luxury fashion at lower prices. Whether you're looking for trendy outfits, bags, or shoes, Serravalle is a must-visit for shoppers visiting Italy.